a young actress before she became the controversial housemate in Pinoy Big Brother All In. And now she is officially a lady. Jane Oineza celebrates her 18th birthday here in the outside world. Going Bulilit alumna and PBB All-In third big placer Jane Oineza celebrated her debut again, this time with family and friends.
Sobrang happy po kasi akala ko tapos na inside the PB house. It feels great na nakapunta lahat ng mga important people in my life.
Despite a heavy downpour, the debutante remained radiant in her princess gown designed by Pepsi Herrera. Fernwood Gardens was transformed into a magical and sparkling venue with fireworks completing Jane's grand entrance by the stairs. Jane even entertained her guests with a special song number. News caught up with Jane's house as they share a few things about the birthday celebrant.
She's strong, breadwinner siya. So, syempre, caring siya na tao. Si Jane, sobrang strong niya pong tao. Focus po siya sa dream niya, sa goal niya sa buhay.
I would say na mabait siya and makulit siya and kalog siya.
Sobrang bait, sobrang malambing si Jane. I was teaching her how to cook. Sister ko siya ngayon.
Si Jane, totoo siya na tao sa loob. She's a very intelligent person and lagi siya nandun for me. Mapatext ako ng 3 a.m. nandun siya lagi.
They also gave out their special wishes for the debutante.
Friends kami ever since 9 ako ata. Your dreams will finally coming true. I'm behind you always and stay the way you are.
Happy birthday. We're all so proud of you the whole match. Basta happy ka and we're always here for you.
Siyempre, ngayon madami na siyang blessings na tatagdang. Sana yung attitude niya magiging
We're successful sa career niya. Masayang buhay at hindi na iiyak masyado. Sana magkaroon siya ng special song muna talaga. Nandiyan lagi para sa kanya.
And speaking of someone special, Cinema News also caught up with Jane and her escort for the night, LaSalle Green Archer, Jeron Ten.
Super happy ako. Actually, yung sinabi nga niya sa akin, kasi di ako niniwala. Sabi ko, di joke yan. Akala ko, nilaloko lang ako eh. Pero super happy ako. Siguro, for me, it's an honor din na to be her escort dito sa special day niya to remind her how blessed she is. So, super talaga ako. Happy for her.
wala na rin ako maisip na ibang escort kung hindi siya. Tsaka,
So,
syempre, ibig sabihin ikaw lang yung option. Ikaw lang. And, hindi, tsaka syempre, special day to for me. So, gusto ko,
With Jeron being guest in both of Jane's debut in and outside the Big Brother house, people can't help but wonder, is he officially courting Jane?
Sa amin na lang siguro yun. Super special siya and super proud ako sa lahat ng achieve niya and I'm just happy for her and I'll be here for her.
While the two did not confirm the courtship, Jeron, however, let slip his feelings when asked if they have a mutual understanding.
Meron ba? Parang meron. Sa akin meron, di ka na sa akin.
Meanwhile, Cinema News also asked Jane if another of her Going Bulilit pals, Catherine Bernardo, will be attending the party. The two were involved in a controversy inside the PBB house when Jane was asked if Catherine had anything surgically done with her face, to which she answered, no comment.
Apo. Meron po silang commitment na hahabol naman daw po kung kaya. Wala naman po problema. Sa loob pa lang po ng bahay na pag-usapan na namin yun. I apologize na and nagkaintindihan naman na po kami. It was just a misunderstanding. It didn't mean anything talaga for me and marami rin po atang hindi pinalabas na part.
For now, Jane plans to dismiss all the controversies and just focus on the many blessings she's receiving.
Happy. More blessings to come. Mga special na mga tao, lahat sila na nandito ngayon. Makasama ko pa in many more years.
Daniel Matsunaga reacts on the engagement of his ex. Piolo Pascual